minus 9 to the base 3 over log of 4 to the base 3. And third term is log of 2 to the power x plus 8.5 to the base 5 over log of 4 to the base 5, right? So we have to find out common difference. Okay, so let's start. Now first term half, it can be written as log of 2 to the base 4, right? Because log of a to the power m, b to the power n is equal to m over n log of a to the base b, right? Here log of this 2 to the power 1 and 4 can be written as 2 square, right? So this will be half this over this, right? Log of 2 to the base 2, right? So this will be half into 1, because log of a to the base a is equal to 1. Right? So we can safely write 1 over 2 is equal to this. Right? Now we will take second term, this, right? So log of 2 to the power x over log of 4 to the base 3, here also 3, right, is equal to log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to the base 4, right? Because log of a to the base b is equal to log of a over log of b, right? Here base is common. Log of a, we can take base x, and here also log of b base x. Right? So we can transform this second term into this, right? This is first term and this one is second term and third term. Now we have to transform this third term, right? So third term is log of 2 to the power x plus 8.5 to the base 5 over log of 4 to the base 5, right? So using same, we can change or transform it into log of 2 to the power x plus 8.5 to the base 4, right? Now we have, this is first term and this is second term and this is third term of arithmetic progression, right? Now we have new term. New terms are log of 2 to the base 4. This is first term and second term, this is 4, right? Second term is log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to the base 4. And third term, log of 2 to the power x plus 8.5 to the base 4. Right? Now, how to find common difference? As first term of arithmetic progression is a, second a plus b, and third term a plus 2b. Right? So, this term a plus b 2 times will be equal to a this plus this. Second term, right? And this one is third term. A plus this, a plus 2b. Right? Now, this double of this, 2 times of this, 2 into log of this 2 to the power x minus 9 to the base 4 is equal to this plus this. Right? So, log of 2 to the base 4 plus log of 2 to the power x plus 8.5 to the base 4. Right? Now, this can be written as log of 2 to the power x minus 9 base 4. These 2 will go here. Right? Is equal to log m plus log n. So, this will be log of 2 into 2 to the power x plus 8.5 to the base 4. Right? Because log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Right? So, and here log of a to the power m is equal to m log of a. To convert this into this, we used this formula, and this into this, we used this formula. This one, right? Now, if we remove log on both the sides, so 2 to the power x minus 9. Here removing log on both the sides. Square will be equal to this 2 into 2 to the power x plus 8.5. Right? If we expand this, so 2 to the power 2x minus 18 into 2 to the power x plus 81 is equal to 2 into 2 to the power x plus this into this 17. Right? Now 2 to the power 2x, this and this, minus 20 into 2 to the power x plus this and this 64 is equal to 0, right? Now 2 to the power 2x minus, we will break this, 16 into 2 to the power x minus 4 into 2 to the power x plus 64 is equal to 0, right? Here 2 to the power x as common. So we have remained 2 to the power x minus 16, and here minus 4 as common. So 2 to the power x minus 6, right? Now we have factors 2 to the power x minus 16. Now we have to case 2 to the power x minus 16 is equal to 0 and 2 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So 2 to the power x is equal to 16 and here 2 to the power x is equal to 4, right? So common difference, will be this log of second term, log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to the base 4. This is 4 minus log of 2 to the base 4, right? Because we have, because we have new terms are these two terms are new, right? So common difference will be this minus this. So log of 2 to the power x, if we take 16 minus 9 to the base 4 minus log of 2 to the base 4. So log of 7 base 4 minus log of 2 to the base 4, right? So this will be log of 7 over 2. This over this, common base 4, right? So common difference will be this. Friends, in this problem, first we change the terms into another form as half changed into this. First term changed into this form, right? And second term changed into this form. Second term into this form, right? And third term, this into this, right? Then we make a new series. First term of new series, second term and third term, right? Then we find out common difference, right? So as we know, second term, this second term, right, will be double of this plus this, right? Such a way we can find out common difference of the given series, right? Okay friends, thank you.